There guys, in today's video I'd like to quickly show you how the boiler works. So basically you got these four options here. You can turn off the boiler by just clicking on this button and it turns itself on. You just need to click on once. Now if you were to turn on here, you've got the mode, you've got minus and plus. So basically if you click on mode, it basically so you click on twice and you got the radiator sign, so you can rotate this as in plus and minus. So you got 59, 58. You can decrease this or you can increase the temperature, and that's what it's for. Now you can click on mode again and I got the tick button, so that's like it means it's been confirmed. So if you click on, you keep clicking on, you got this 2.1. this is the pressure for the water, and you got, you click on, keep on clicking on, so you got, oops, click on, there we go. Oh, now you've got this. Now that should, all right, now you got the temperature for the water. So if once you see the sign, you got temperature for the water, so you can increase this or decrease the temperature of the water depending on how you prefer. So I would reckon about 37 degrees should be fine, and just click on tick, which means it's been confirmed, and then you go back and that's it. All right, have a lovely day.